Morning, Rajendra.
Good morning.
Answer.
So today I'm discussing about formulas. I'm creating one object here. I'm creating one object. In this object I'm creating some of the fields. New custom fields I'm creating. Number type I'm selecting. Mass. Click on the next. Save and new. One more subject. Physics. Size is 3. Next. Save and new. Number format. Chemistry. Save it. If I created, there is a 3 fields I created: chemistry, maths, physics. If I refresh, here I'm getting these fields. Now Nagesh is a student, maths 98, physics 93, chemistry 87. Whenever I save the record, then here it is created, one record is created in the record maths, physics, chemistry. I want to perform here total operation. I want to perform it. I want to perform total for this record. What is the total marks? If you want to perform like this total marks, maths plus physics plus chemistry, we required some logic is required. Total marks if you want to take, so logic is required, maths plus physics plus chemistry. Whenever I am taking the some total marks, here I required output is also required. What type of output you are using? What type of output you are using? For this type of output, number type is required. Whenever we are taking the some total marks, some total is also some 290 or 280 some plus those values. If you want to store it here, number values are required. What is required here? Number values I required. And I want to take the some percentage, maths plus physics plus chemistry by 300, otherwise total by 300 you can take it. So for this we required percentage symbol is required. What is the symbol is required here? Here also we required percentage symbol is required. Percentage symbol is required. You can provide the some percentage symbol for this. Now grade. Grade is nothing but here some distinction or first class, second class. The output is nothing but text type of output is required. Text type of output is required. So for this, some output type is a text type. If you want to create some logic, if you want to apply some logic on the particular fields, then we are creating formula fields we are creating. Whenever we are applying the formula field, it is what type of field? It is a read only field. So the logics, whenever we are writing the logics, based on the logics only, it is performing operation. After that, it is gives the some output. That output is nothing but formula value you are getting. This formula value is nothing but read only type. You cannot edit the value directly. Just by editing the corresponding fields only we get the output. But directly the formula field value you cannot edit. It cannot display in the detail edit page only. It is displays in the detail page. What is the detail page? This is the detail page. In the detail page only it is displays, but not display in the edit page only. It is displays in the detail page. Now here we can write the formulas for standard and custom objects. We can write the formulas for standard and custom objects, as well as we can write the logics formulas for parent to child related also you can write it. And whenever we are using formula values, it is a case sensitive. Whenever we are applying formula logics, it is a case sensitive. That means small letters, capital letters, carefully write it. Then only it is recognizing. Otherwise, it cannot recognizing that values. Now here formula values are case sensitive. And here country is the one field is there. In the country field, there is India is there. Here we are comparing that India here. This India and this India both are same, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So whether it is following the same value or not. If it is the same value, then only it is returns true. Otherwise, false. You are getting the false output here. Now here, whenever we are using formula field, whenever we are writing, there is a 7 type of outputs it is returns. Just observe. For total marks, we required number type. For this percentage symbol. For this grade, we required some text type of output. Like this, totally 7 type of outputs it is produced. One is a checkbox type. Whenever we are creating some checkbox, the checkbox type, it is a true or false type. It is nothing but a Boolean type. And currency. In the currency, it returns the currency value. Whenever we provided, then it returns some currency value. Date type of output or date and time, number type, percentage, text. There is a 7 type of return values it is returns. Whenever we are creating one formula, the outputs whatever we are writing, that outputs are nothing but 7 type of outputs we are getting here. Now, whenever we are writing formulas are 2 types of formulas. One is a simple formulas and one more is advanced formulas. What is the difference between simple formulas and advanced formulas? Means the simple formulas are using just operators only. Just operators only. Plus operator, minus, like this. These are the operators only. Whenever we are using advanced formulas, it is using operators along with some functions also. More number of operators along with some functions also it is using. Methods also it is using. Some methods: if condition, case, and or date, today, day, or month, year, like this. Is peak value, is null, max, minimum, contains, like this. Functions, it is contain the some of the functions. These functions are classified into 4 types. Whatever functions are there, all the functions are classified into 4 categories. What are the 4 categories here? The functions are advanced functions are divided into 4 types. One is date time, math, logical, and text type of formats. If I observe date and time, date, today, day, month, year. These are the functions are related to date type of functions. So here max, min, is null, like this some of the functions are contain math type of functions. If, case, and, or such type of functions are nothing but logical functions. Is pick value, now length, begins, like this some of the functions are related to some text type of functions. If you want to write a formula field, there is 5 steps process. For normal field creation 4 steps process, here 5 steps process. Normal field creation, data type we are selecting, field information we are providing, and field level security. Then final one is nothing but add this field on the page layout. These are the four type of options it is provided. But whenever we are creating here multiple things at that time, how to provide the multiple formula creation, 5 steps process. First step is a data type. Whenever we are creating any formula, we require data type is required. What type of data you are storing? For this we required data type we are using. In the data type, selecting data type as a formula data type. In the second information, second is nothing but provide field label name and return value. Field label, it is display on the detail page. Field name for internal purpose, if you want to apply for another function also you can use this existing function. Then select the one return value, whether it is a checkbox or a red checkbox, currency or date, what type of data is required, that type of data you can write it. And write the formula logic in the editor. This is one editor is there. In the editor we are writing some formula logic is writing. Some formula logic is writing in the editor. Now here simple formulas and advanced formulas, 2 buttons. If it is a simple formula, click the simple formula and write the logic. If it is advanced formula, click the advanced formulas and click the logic. And after providing your logic, check the syntax whether your logic is correct or not. You can check it. If the logic is correct, then only your code is executing, otherwise it cannot compile your code. Now provide field level security for the profile. Fourth step is nothing but same as this field level security for the profile. And fifth step is nothing but add this field in the layout. Add this field in the layout. Now here we are creating, add this field in the layout like this. These are the 5 steps process I am creating here for this logic. If you want to create a formula, normal field creation, how to creating, same as this. New button. There is data type is a formula is the data type. Click on the next. Click on the next. Here total marks. Whenever I am selecting total marks, I required number type of format. If the value is currency, percentage, number, currency, percentage, number, for these 3 fields, here at decimal places it is showing. If it is a text, there is no decimal. If it is a date, there is no decimal. If it is a date time, no decimal. Checkbox, no decimal. Only currency it is showing, or percentage also showing, or number value. So for this number also showing. I don't want to take the any decimal values. Click on the next. Click on the next. Now in this simple formulas and advanced formulas. If it is a simple formula, just operators only here. Now if it is a advanced formula, then it is showing all functions, all function categories, date time, logical, math, text. There is a 4 type of categories it is showing. If I select the date time, then date and time related functions. If it is a logical, then logical related it is displaying. If it is a mathematical functions, minimum, maximum, square root, like this. If it is a text, text related. If it is a text, text related. Like this. Now I required here simple formula is sufficient. This is a formula editor. In this formula editor, enter the details. What are the fields you required? This is the object, is the student is the object, and in the student object these are the fields are there. Now what are the fields here? Mass, physics, chemistry. Mass, add physics, add chemistry. That's all. There is this check the syntax. If I click the check syntax, then your code is checking whether it is correct or not. It is checking. If it is correct, there is no syntax errors. It is compiled code. Suppose if it is 1, then if I check the syntax, here we are getting the some error message. It is showing some error message. Check the spelling. Now here it is does not exist. This chemistry underscore C 1. Chemistry underscore C 1. Click on the next. Provide the security for the field. And what type of field it is? A read only field. Click on the save it. Now what is here? 278 marks. It is a lock symbol. It is a lock symbol. So these are the fields are pencil symbol. If any field is a pencil symbol, it is a editable field. Any field is a lock symbol, then this is a readable field. Only read only field. If I edit in the edit page, it cannot display. Only in the detail page only it is displaying. It is displays only in the detail page, but not in the edit page. Edit page cannot display. Only it is displays in the detail page. Okay, like this it is a displays only in the detail page. Suppose if I am changing the value 65 instead of 278 something 256 only. Instead of that it is providing 256. Now can I edit? You cannot edit. Based on the particular fields, some 45, then value is changing. Value is changing. Based on this values are changing. Now I am creating one more field. One more field. I am creating one more field. One more field. Percentage. For this percentage, select the percentage symbol, 2 decimal places. Apply the logic. If you want to write the percentage, total marks divided by 300. Here, whenever we are writing like this, suppose marks are 270 by 300. What is the output? 0.9 is the output. If the 0.9 means here 90% here the output is. Suppose the output is 0.65, then the output is nothing but 65%. So 0.02, the values are 1.0. 0.0 is 0%, 1.0 is nothing but 100% here. The values it is the percentage values how to take based on the 0.20 to 1.0. If it is a 1.0 is the output, then the output value is nothing but 100%. Here maybe 6, 7. Suppose 6, 7 is the 0.67 is the output. In that case, 67 is a percentage. No need to write into 100. Click on the next. Automatically it is check the syntax. If any errors are there, it cannot send to next page. Only it is showing same page. Save it. If I refresh, some 78.69 is the percentage. What is the percentage? 79.6 is the percentage. Like this you can write the one formula. Suppose I am changing 86. Based on the 86, 76.33 some percentage. Here 52. Based on the 52, the percentage is 78.67. Based on the values, total value, it is displaying the some percentage. Is it displaying in the edit page? No, only in the detail page. It cannot display in the edit page because it is a read-only field. Now, my logic is like this. My logic is like this. What is the logic? If percentage is greater than or equal to 70%, then I required distinction is required. Distinction. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 60, first class. Could you please mute your audios? Percentage is greater than or equal to 50, second class. Percentage is greater than or equal to 36, third class. Percentage is less than 36, then we required fail is required. Based on the logic, then we are creating the this percentage based on the logics. We are creating output. We are displaying the some output. Based on the percentage, we are displaying this corresponding outputs. So for this, we required here one function is provided. By using some if condition, we can write the logic. Whenever we are using the if condition, it is contain logic, true value and false value. If is a condition, if is a formula. What is the if? If is a formula. In this if condition, we are writing some logic. This is some logic we entered. Some logic, we are applying the some logic. If the logic value is true, then output is this output. If the logic value is false, then this is the output. Suppose I am writing logic here. Logic is 5 is greater than 3. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? True value. 5 is greater than 3. In that case, the output whatever we are expecting, this is the output. In this whatever you are writing, that is the output is producing. Suppose 5 is greater than 7. In that case, the value is false. In this case, this is the value is executing. This is a value is executing. The same way, here I am writing some logic I am writing. What is the logic means? Percentage we are taking. Percentage is the field. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 70, how to write the 70? 0.7 is nothing but a 70 percentage. Then we require true value. What is the value? True value is distinction. If the value is less than 70, then output is false. In that case, once again we are writing if condition. Once again we are writing if condition. Whenever we are writing one more time if condition, in the if condition once again logic, true value, false value. What is the logic we are taking? The logic is once again percentage is greater than or equal to 60, 0.6. Then what is the true value? In the case of true value, now first class, otherwise failed. False. In the case of false condition, once again I am writing if condition. Once again I am writing if condition. In the if condition, once again logic, true value, false value. What is the logic value? Percentage is greater than or equal to 50. That means 0.5. Then percentage is first class. What is the logic here? Second class. Output is second class. If it is a fail, then once again I am writing if condition. In the if condition, this is the nested if conditions I am writing. Percentage is greater than or equal to 0.36. Then third class, otherwise false value. In the case of false value, fail. This is the logic I am applying. Is it clear for everyone or any questions? Here, go to formulas. I am creating new formula. I am applying the logic. Grade is required, output is a text type, because first class, second class, third class, it is nothing but a text type of format. Now here, advanced formula we required. In this one condition, if condition. In the if condition logic, true value, false value. The logic is insert to field. In that, mass is a field. Select the field name. Object name is the student. In the student, if I selected student, then student fields. If I selected some API, API related. If I selected organization, organization. If I selected profile, system, like this. Whatever you are selecting, the corresponding fields are displaying here. Here student. For the student, mass is a field. So the API names only it is using for the custom fields. If it is a standard field, suppose student name is there. There is no underscore. If it is a mass, then underscore underscore C. Insert. Then it is inserting. Now if you want to take the operator, so greater than or equals to, you can take it like this. Otherwise directly also you can write the greater than symbol, also you can write it. 0.7. Then what is the value? The value is, this is a value. Not mass, sorry. The field is percentage field, not mass. Sorry, percentage. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 70, that means 0.7, then the output is distinction. If it is a less than, then it is required one more if condition is required. In the one more if condition, generally we are writing within the single line only. For understanding purpose, I am dividing into multiple lines. Okay. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 60%, then first class. If it is a less than 60, false value. In the case of false value, once again, if condition I am writing. Once again, if condition I am writing. Once again, if condition, again I am writing percentage is greater than or equal to 50, then second class. If it is less than, then false value. In the case of false, once again, whether it is greater than or equal to 36, then third class. If it is less than, false value. In the case of false, fail. That's all. Everywhere open and close it. That's all. This is the curly braces related to this one. And for this open and closing. Open, here closing. Open, closing. Opening and closing mandatory to match. Then only it is executing. If any syntax errors are there, it cannot execute. So there is no syntax errors. Suppose if one curly brace is missing, then whenever we are checking here, it is expecting something missing. One curly braces are missing. You can provide the curly brace. Then only it is recognizing. Otherwise, it cannot accepting. Now, click on the next. Required profiles. Save. Refresh. The output is distinction based on this percentage. If the marks is 34, there is 72%. Based on the percentage, distinction only showing. Whenever you are applying the percentage, based on the percentage, the output we are getting the output. Even one subject is a fail. Even one subject is a fail. It is showing distinction only because here based on the percentage. But if any subject marks are less than 36, I want to show fail only. I want to show it. So here I required some mandatory conditions I required. For the mandatory condition, we are using and condition we are using. What is the condition we required? Mandatory values if you want to use it. And condition I required. Here I am applying one more condition. Whenever we are using and of and function, logic 1, logic 2, logic 3, logic 100. If I return 100 logics, if it is each and every logic value is true, then only the output is final output is true. If any logic is false, the final output is false only. Out of 100, 99 logics are true, only one logic is false. Even one logic is false, total output is final output is false only output. If every logic is true, then only this value is true. If any one logic is false, then it is output is false. So in this case, we are writing one more logic is writing. If condition, in the if condition, logic, true value, false value. We write the like this. In the case of false value, I am writing fail only. So here fail only. I am applying that logic is applying. In the case of true value, I am writing this is a logic is applying. This is a logic. This is a value. This is a whatever previous logic is there. This logic is applying. What is the logic we are writing? And condition. In the and condition, mass, subject's value is greater than or equal to 36. Physics, subject value is greater than or equal to 36. Chemistry, greater than or equal to 36. If every subject marks are greater than or equal to 36, then only this condition is executing. If the subject marks are greater than or equal to 36, then only this value is true. And condition is true. And condition is true means if condition is true. If the condition is true, then it is executing this value. If the condition is false, then executing fail. This is the logic we are applying extra. Now open your formula, go to view fields. These are the formulas, these are the fields are there. In that grade is the one formula. Edit, grade, and here take the one more if condition. One more if condition. In the one more if condition, here false value fail. Fail. That means this is I am providing after this. If the value is true, then this is the logic is executing. What it is the logic? The true value, the logic is executing. If the value is true, this is the logic is executing, the output we are getting. If the logic is false, fail is executing. What is the logic? For this, and is the logic. In the and case, we are providing fields. Mass is a one field, greater than or equal to 36. So it is not a percentage. So that's the reason only 36 only we are taking. One more field, physics, greater than or equal to 36. And chemistry, greater than or equal to 36. If every subject marks are greater than or equal to 36, then and condition is true. If the and condition is true, this is executing. Otherwise, now false value is executing. Otherwise, false value is executing. One second. Now this logic is executing. Just apply and execute. Save. If I refresh, fail is the output. If I refresh, fail is the output. Based on the subject marks, if it is 36, then 73% distinction. If it is 77 or 78, then 67.67 first class. So first class, second class, or third class are distinction. Based on the percentage marks, it is displaying that percentage marks, it is displaying the value output. This is nothing but some formula logics we are creating. So how to create the formula? This is the way we are creating the formula. I will give you the list of some functions in the next session. I will explain some of the other formulas in the next session.